Hi guys, samahan niyo po kami ni Amalia mag-swimming. Amalia. Look at. I'll show them the place. Yan, so give me the camera. The place, yan po ang Warner. Yan naman hotel. Ito naman ang Yas Water World, Abu Dhabi. Swimming kami ni Amalia. Si nanay ay may pasok.
City Mall, Tatay. City Mall.
What?
Abu Dhabi City Mall.
Abu Dhabi City Mall? No, it's a Yas Water World, Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi City Mall.
Yan po ang Yas Water World. Yan, talap-talap. Maghapon na naman. Para na namang talong pag umahon. Yan, sarap. May pasok po si May, may pasok. Ako day off. Yan to, yun doon po ang ticketing box. Po ang entrance, may bangka. Yun may tubig-tubig na. Hi! Nagtrabaho ako dati dito kaya iwan nila ko. Oh, tita Hi. What's up? What's up, Baba? You good?
How are you?
Good, good.
Hi, how are you? Good? Ano pangalan mo?
What's your name?
How are you, bro?
Good, good. How are you?
Long time.
Yeah.
Only you two?
Yeah. May get walk.
See?
Congratulations! Wow, award!
Ah.
Only you.
Mudir Arbab ha?
Hi,
Hi.
hey, how are you?
Good, how
So
are you?
you did the Adnocron.
Yeah.
I did also. How many K you did?
42.
You did half marathon?
Full.
Wallah? Really?
Yeah. Full marathon 42. You how many?
Only 5K. Only 5K.
Face pass. Ha?
Careful, that's full of plastic, Tatay.
Okay. Kilala ko mga katrabaho dito, nagtrabaho ko dito This is Aldo. Ito ang souk na sinasabi. Souk kung nga baga. Tapos itong entrance. Lalabas tayo doon. Excited na. Ayan mga bilihin. Oh, dito may bilihin din siyempre of course ng mga panglangoy. Pasok pa dito. Yan ang Yas Water World. Pasok tayo. Hanap ng upuan sa pambata. You excited, Amalia? I know you are. I know you are. Dito mga area ng pambata. Dito pambata at matanda. Doon pa, malawak ito Hindi ko tayo malilibot. Babantayan ko ito. Ayan. Sarap. Yun, lagi kami napisto ni Amalia. Ay, may pusto May nakapusto sa ating pustuhan, Amalia. Let's do on the other side. So where do you wanna go? Sit, Amalia. Right there, maybe. Yan, dito lang po kami na pwesto na Amalia lagi. Dito, mas malapit sa Bata. Strategic kumbaga. Ayan. Go there, go. Also. Come on. Come here. Amalia. Come on. Amalia, come here. Photo lotion. Bigyan natin ng lotion. Lotion din naman. Ating mga gamit. Sana, where's the, Buso, where's the lotion at? Nope, nothing there. Yeah. Where's the lotion? This your shoes? Oh, here. Take your dress off. Wait, you wanna go pee?
I want to go pee.
Okay. Let's go pee first. Oh no, I'll take. Put the lotion first.
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen. Sunscreen.
Sunscreen.
Your neck. Buddy, you're excited? No, you're excited. You go pee first? We'll go pee first?
No, we don't let.
Here, check up the diaper. You go pee. Okay?
Huh?
I'm gonna take your diaper off first before you go to water. Yeah. Come on. Now, take the diaper to the toilet. Okay? No, we need to, because it gotta be full of water. Come on. Run to the toilet, okay? Come on, here. Run. Here. This is that's a ladies toilet. Come on. Excited na po na naman ang aking dalaga. Ay naman, sarap. Woo. Are you excited to swim? Huh? Oh. Na, nakbo na. Here, Bunso, here. This the other one, the other side. Ayan, kainan. Ito na ba ng mga swimming. Come on. You like your shoes or you wanna take it off? Na, umiwalay na. Punta na yan doon. Yan mga lodi. O so siya naman na nakakapi tayo natin ng kape. Oo naman. Ay nakatambay. Ang dami pang bakante. Okay? Ayan lang, tatanawin mo lang. Nandun sa Malia. Tatanawin mo lang. Mamaya din ako titira. Papahinga muna. Tira ng ligo, mamaya Dito lang muna tayong papahinga, maupo. Init eh. Lubad na pala. Silipin natin si Amalia. Ayun na, sa gilid. Parang yan, madaming slide. Ayun, Amalia. Hi. Pag DF ko, pinupunta ko din na yan. Libre naman kami. Dito pa rin katrabaho yung asawa ko eh, first family. Libre, first family. Woo! Yun na. Mamaya, slide kami diyan. Kakape muna ako. Yan, amin itong tatlong ito. Wala namang mga tao eh. Sarap ang pistuan eh. Puno, shaded. Hindi ko alam kung mamaya init din dito eh. Doon ako madalas pumusto eh. May tao ngayon eh. Dito muna tayo habang nagkakape. Bukas eh may pasok na naman. Salamat kayo. Isang araw. Muna ngayon silang ating gamit. Karat. Yatin ang sukal at matabang. Pit. Punong-puno naman. Painitan eh, kakape. Tingnan natin kung masarap na. Pwede na. Ayos. Sarawin natin. Sarap ng buhay. Coffee. Pawas-pawasan. Slide po kami ni Amalia. Right. Slide kami ni Amalia. 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 Oh, we go. Go.
Jacob, he's coming!
Go.
I thought that his toe was just right there.
Woo! Slide! Woo! Hold on. I'll bring the camera and the bag. I'll take this camera, okay? And you go play, okay? Hold on. I'll be back. Let's go slide again. Come on. Let's go slide again. Huh? Run. You don't like your shoes? You wanna take it off? No? You good? Let's go race. Why? Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Huh?
Can you go down and wash?
Bye. Sarap. Good. After 3 hours, kakain muna. Come here, buso. Sit down here. Kakain muna kami. Fish fillet. You don't need to wash it. Come on.
Wash.
Don't need. Here. Go sit down there. The hot dog, fish fillet, cake. Saka yung kape ko. Let's go. Eat na buso. Sit down here. Come on.
I'm full.
Amalia. Talaga naman. Full daw. Una muna kakain na naman. Hindi nahiwat sa kuwan eh. I'm full daw eh. Hindi nahiwat sa tubig. Maya na. Itira na lang. Fish fillet. Sarap. Fries and hotdog. After 5 hours. After 5 hours. Zoom! Oh look. Sige, babalaw na tayo. Let's go. Go get the towel.
Hey, get the picture.
Get the towel here. Hold on. Towel. You want diaper, baby?
You is
Huh?
the floor.
You want to put diaper on? No. Let's go. Come on. Here. Video. On me, on tatay. Tatay. Camera tatay. In your face, isn't it? We'll go to the toilet. Come on.
To the toilet.
We'll put your shirts on. After 5 hours. Buso, no. No. Kasi, after 5 hours, talong na. You happy? Buso?
Not
You have fun? Come here. Come here. Malia. Babanlaw muna. Tapos na po kami. Tapos na din ang day off. Yan na po. Ngayon pala ang nakain. Aking dala din. Eat the fish too. 5 hours. Naglamon. Yeah, that's fish. Here. Dip it. Dip it here. You dip it.
You like this?
Ito. Kagayak na tayo ulit. Ay, pauwi na. Oh, 16. Ay, 18 I mean. Let's go. You want ketchup? Ito mga aking dalaga. Here. Where? We're gonna put the ketchup here. Here. Eat the fish too, okay? Hungry? Told you, eat first before you go swim.
I'm eating already.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Do it, okay? Balik sa gayak. Bebe. Gatas. Dapat. Ito. Sayang. At yun lamang po ang aming vlog for today. Uwi na po kami. Thank you. Bye. Tulalay, pagod. Tulalay kami, pagod ka. Pauwi na po kami. Close na. Uwi na. Uwi na bunso. Exit. Thank you, sir. There was a sarap, buti hindi mainit. Pinoy Warner Brothers. Ayan, ito naman hotel, Warner Brothers Hotel din.
Can you give it to me, please?
Later also. We go to the bus, okay? Ha? Okay. Ano, ang daming bus. Kaya natin itong may pa Ferrari. Taas din. Nandito po kami sa Yas Mall. Nagbus kami ng Maya. Ito naman yung Ferrari World Abu Dhabi. Ayan, doon si Ferrari. Yas Mall sa taas. Nana is I think already in the bus stop. We go to Nana, okay? Ayan ang Ferrari. Yun naman siya ay Climb. Indoor skydiving. Yan naman ay indoor skydiving. Climb. Parang batong yan. Ito muna tayo sa bus stop. Ito ang medyo mas malapit na view. Ito yung Yas Mall, Climb, Ferrari. Ito naman yung ulan. Oh, someone is praying. So, hold on. They're praying. Galing. Diyan lang sila nagdadasal pag at tapat na pagdadasal. Kahit saan, basta may mat. What?
Bakit tatay?
What?
Bakit tatay?
Yeah.